Welcome back to Melita's Delicacies. Friends, today I'm back with yet another interesting Goan recipe, and that is of the Shaguti. Many people mispronounce this Shaguti as Xacuti, but it is Shaguti. So let's get started with it. On my channel, I already have so many recipes of chicken, prawns and other Shaguti recipes. Please do watch them. I'm giving the link in the description below. So let's get started today with a delicious beef Shaguti recipe. So here I have got 1 kg of beef, which I have cut into 1 inch size of pieces, and I've thoroughly washed them. So let's get started with the marination. Mostly when we marinate beef, we tenderize this meat with vinegar. But in Shaguti recipe, we do not use vinegar, but we are going to marinate it with 2 tablespoons of sea salt, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and juice of 1 or 2 lemons. Squeeze in the lemon and nicely massage these ingredients into your meat and let this meat rest for about at least 30 to 45 minutes. Do not use extra lemon juice. Also, I'm adding here 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and that also massage into your meat and let the meat rest for about 30 to 45 minutes. And friends, if you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed already, then please do like, share and subscribe to Melita's Delicacies for more such interesting recipes. Till my meat gets marinated, let's get ready with the masala. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, 10 to 12 cloves, a stick of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds and 1 tablespoon of pepper. I have here about 4 petals of star anise which I will de-seed, a small piece of nutmeg, about 5 petals of stone flower, a 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. This will just add a slight hint of bitterness that will balance the flavor. I have a few pods of cardamom here. As a souring agent here, I am using here about 4 monkey jack, and I have a small piece of mace here. This is what we call the mace or the jaipatri. I have here about 10 cancorn chilies. I'm using 3 bedgi chilies for the color, and I have a handful of button chilies. Now all these chilies have a distinct spice level, color and flavor. Together they will make your Shaguti masala so delicious. Now since this is red meat, I'm using a combination and making it a slightly spicier side. And here I have 2 cups of freshly grated coconut, 1 large sliced onion. So let's now get to roast these spices so they turn crispy and aromatic. And as you know, when you make Shaguti and the aromas that sprung up from your kitchen, surely it fills the nostrils, not only yours but the neighbors too. I've added here 1 teaspoon of oil, and I will add in all the spices on completely low flame, as I do not want my masala to get a burnt flavor. Don't forget to de-seed your star anise petals, which otherwise will turn your masala into bitter taste. Once the other spices are almost done, add in your poppy seeds and roast them till they pop. My masala is ready now. The color have just slightly changed of them and they have started to turn aromatic. Do the same with the chilies as well. To this I am adding 2 green spicy chilies. You can add them later, but you know, when they are little roasted, the flavor of the green chilies also change. The green chilies are totally optional. Slightly roast your onion and your coconut till the color slightly changes. If you want more gravy, for leftovers, then you add a little extra coconut and the masala. This is what I'm using here is sufficient for a kg of meat. My spices have cooled down, so I'll just powder them coarsely first. I've already kept my pan on heat with 2 tablespoons of oil for bagar. Grind it. To this I'm adding here a handful of curry leaves because this also adds a wonderful flavor and aroma to your shakuti. Add 1 chopped onion, 1 large chopped tomato, and saute these both till they are translucent. Now add your marinated meat to this. Now turn your flame to high and sear the meat. Searing is an important part of beef shakuti. Once it's well seared, you can lower your flame a little and it will start to release its water. Let the beef simmer for about 30 minutes on medium flame in its own juices. I have not added any water to it. After about 30 minutes, the meat is halfway cooked. At this stage, add your ground masala. The color of the masala is so heavenly. Isn't it looking delicious already? Adjust the consistency and let the meat cook till it is done. Just to make the meat substantial, here I am adding 2 potatoes which I have cut into big chunks. This is totally optional, but I too like. But the potatoes taste really delicious as they absorb the masala flavors and the meat flavors. Do the taste test after about 5 minutes. Add in some salt if required. Give it a stir and let it simmer on medium flame till the meat is nice and tender. Wow, it's looking so delicious and yummalicious. And the aroma that is coming up from this cooking of this shakuti is so temptatious, friends. So do give a try to this delicious beef shakuti recipe this festive season and enjoy with your family and friends. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Melita's Delicacies for more such interesting and exciting recipes. Garnish it with some freshly chopped coriander and let it simmer just for 2 minutes more. Cover and let it rest for about 5 minutes and your delicious beef shakuti is ready to be relished. Best serve with Goan pulao, or it goes too well with nice hot Goan bread. Do try this recipe and enjoy, friends. Let me enjoy my beef shakuti. See you next week with yet another interesting and exciting recipe. Until then, keep watching Melita's Delicacies. Thank you and God bless you. Much love.